Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well, safe and wearing mask and washing your hands and using sanitizer. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you that how we celebrate our daughter's 5th birthday. We were really happy, but at the same time we were a little sad because it's quarantine and हम लोग कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाए उसके लिए, but we tried our best. So let's see how did we celebrate her birthday. What's she doing?
I'm doing X.
Why?
Because it's X.
Where is your birthday?
Over here. Over here.
Okay. Okay, and cross this one too.
Because it's about 8:12.
Yes. So we'll wait. No, that's it. So we told her that because of quarantine, because of COVID, her birthday is postponed. So it's on 17th, but we said that this year your birthday is on 30th. And she was like, okay, that's strange. But yeah. So birthday के लिए shopping करी थी हमने थोड़ी सी क्योंकि supermarkets open थे. Supermarkets, like, they are open all the time but not other shops, so we can buy like groceries and everything. So we bought balloons, now I'm looking for some candles and I really like this one. ये हम लोग जो 12 o'clock केक कट करने वाले हैं हम उस पे लगाएंगे. I think it's perfect. Pink, her favorite color. और 2 packs मैं ये लेने वाली हूँ pop-ups kind of, you know, birthday pop-ups वो लेने वाली हूँ. She love these kind of things, छोटे छोटे gifts. She love like small gifts. और candle के लिए I think no, this one is too much. I'm looking for like butterfly or something like that, or maybe flowers, butterflies, something like. That's the cars, that's the big bag. Oh, this one is looking nice. Let's see if we can find something else. What's that? Okay, I think it's also like a glittery pop-up. So ये गिफ्ट्स हमने उसके लिए बाय किए थे, छोटे छोटे से हैं. They are really not expensive, but I know she gonna love it. That's the helmet. ज़्यादा हमने जो है ऑनलाइन बाय किए थे because we can't go in the store and buy, so we bought online. This is a helmet and it comes with the pads. I think it's super cute. She gonna love it. And of course she love Play-Doh, so that's the Play-Doh set, which is from Target. It's super cute. She loved Play-Doh. And then we bought this doctor set. You know, girls love these kind of things, you know, pretend toys and everything. And she loved this doctor set. I'm sure she's gonna love it. Next, we bought this set which comes with, you know, hair dryer, scissors. It's not real, it's just a battery one. Scissors are not real. They are really safe. This is super cute bottle. What is it? Straightener, comb and everything. This is super cute, super cute. I think I should buy it. And of course, it's in pink color. एक हमने ये बिजी हैंड स्टूल सेट बाय किया है. इट्स सुपर क्यूट. जब भी रियाना के पापा कुछ भी करते हैं लाइक घर पे, तो वो अपने सामान लेके आ जाती है, फेक सा स्पून या कुछ भी. तो आई थिंक दिस वन इज सुपर क्यूट. शी कैन हेल्प हर डैड and it's super cute. It's not like she's not like that I only want makeup set and everything. She love every kind of, you know, toys and these kind of stuff. Next, we bought this princess dress because in kinder her dress up day is coming and I think it's perfect for her. but I don't like the material. Material is really not good, but I think it's perfect for kinder dress up day. Yeah. And next we bought this nail paint kit, and you know how girls love makeup and nail paint, so I bought this kit for her and I'm sure she's gonna love it. It's a scooter and it's packed actually, so I'm not going to open it. I'll show you later. Now it's time to wrap up the gifts, because she said that I don't want my gifts in the bag. I want them, you know, in a wrapping paper so I can open it and everything. So she's busy inside and I'm in a garage. So I'm going to quickly packing up her gifts. तो गिफ्ट सारे पैक हो गए हैं. अच्छा, एक और गिफ्ट है जो बहुत ही स्पेशल है उसके लिए. ये आपके लिए भी सरप्राइज है और उसके लिए भी. ये सारे ही उसके लिए सरप्राइज है, पर द अदर वन वो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है और उसके लिए भी सरप्राइज है और आपके लिए भी. दैट विल शो यू लेटर. व्हेन इज योर बर्थडे रियाना? 12, 13, 14, 15. In 15 days. So today is 16. You forgot to cut it. Yeah? Come on then, cross.
I don't have it.
You don't have a pen? Go and get it and cross, okay? Oh my poor baby. Good. Now you can go. So today is 16 and tonight it's her birthday, like 17th, and she has no idea. Oh. So it's already 11:45 और मैं उसका केक रेडी करने वाली हूँ. And of course in Australia, I don't know why, but kids love mud cake. तो मैंने रियाना के लिए मड केक बाय किया है और ये हैप्पी बर्थडे और 5 कैंडल्स इसके साथ मैं डेकोरेट करूँगी रियाना का केक. और वो अपने रूम में टीवी देख रही आईपैड देख रही है. हाँ जी, वो बिल्कुल नहीं सोई हुई अभी तक, क्योंकि मैंने उसको सोने नहीं दिया था, क्योंकि एक बारी वो सो जाए फिर बहुत मुश्किल से उठती नहीं है. लाइक मॉर्निंग में ही उठती है, वो रात को नहीं उठती. तो मैंने उसको काफी बिजी रखा आज. तो अभी मैं उसको ये बोल के आई थी कि मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है, टॉयलेट जाना है. तो शी वाज लाइक ओके गो. तो अभी मैं केक सेट कर रही हूँ. And on the other side, Shaurya and Papa, they are, you know, decorating the room. See, it's so funny, and she has no idea. Can you imagine? Oh, he's doing great. So today we are going to do practice, like how we're gonna do stuff on Rihanna's birthday, huh? Yes? So what are we going to do with this?
We're going to cover my eyes.
We are going to cover your eyes? Like Shaurya? Okay. So we'll do that today with Rihanna. Yes, Rihanna? Are you excited for your birthday? कि हमने शौर्य के लिए भी सरप्राइज पार्टी प्लान की थी, तो रियाना को भी सेम बर्थडे चाहिए. When is your birthday? 15 days.
15 days.
That's okay. Yeah? Are you excited for your birthday? Okay. Yeah. After 15 days, it's Rihanna's birthday. Yeah? So we are pretending that it's Rihanna's birthday. Yeah? Okay. So who's gonna hold my phone?
I don't know.
No? Look here. Like that. Hello. So today we are going to pretend that it's Rihanna's birthday. Yeah? Okay. Yay! Oh, Shaurya उठ गया? Hi, Shaurya. Yes, midnight feast. Okay. Oh, midnight feast. Okay. We are pretending that it's Rihanna's birthday today. Yeah. Better. You want to play? Let's play. So we are playing. Shaurya, you wanna play? Yeah.
What do I be playing?
We are playing that it's your birthday. Yeah? Can you see anything? No? Come, let's go. So we are just pretending that today is Rihanna's birthday.
Rihanna,
Yeah.
how old are you?
4.
No, you're 5.
Rihanna, happy birthday!
Happy
Day to you. Happy birthday. Open the scarf. Rihanna! Rihanna, surprise!
Go ahead.
Rihanna! Is that your birthday? First, let's cut the cake, Baba. Rihanna, look here. Okay, look here. Look, Mama. Mama will click the picture. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
How many days to your birthday?
Happy, Rihanna? Let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake. There. How many candles, Baba?
5.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Yes, Babu.
Stop.
Hey Google, stop. Play happy birthday to you.
I want mud cake. I want mud cake. I want mud cake. You will fight it here.
Itni सी है अभी.
Chalo, okay, let's open your gifts.
Don't open this one last.
What's that, Rihanna? You don't know? What's this? What's that? You like it? Yeah?
That's your helmet.
No. She's asking what's that?
That's your pad, so you fall, you don't get hurt.
Yeah.
Your knee pad.
You like it? Let's open the next gift.
Come on. Don't step on it. He opened it.
Yeah, rip it, Rihanna. Rip it.
What's this?
Ooh, what's that?
I'm gonna open the book and figure out what this is.
Wow, what's this, Rihanna? We'll open it later, okay? Draw with light. Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, do you want me to help you?
So रियाना बहुत बिजी है अपने प्रेजेंट्स खोलने में और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. शी इज़ रियली हैप्पी एंड शी लव हर गिफ्ट्स. इस बारी थोड़ा क्वारंटीन है तो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं. हमारे कजन्स नहीं आ सकते सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. वो थोड़ा फील हो रहा है क्योंकि रियाना को भी लाइक थोड़ा फील हो रहा है कि कोई आ नहीं सकता. पर शाम को हमने हम लोग हैं और साथ में शौर्य के कजन्स हैं तो हम लोग फिर दोबारा शाम को केक काटने वाले हैं. सो कीप वॉचिंग. What's that? From? It's all mixed.
Oh, already up to the next one. On this one.
Now Rihanna is going to open her big gift. It's for her, like big gift. So that's why we need more space. So Shaurya and Rihanna are cleaning up little bit.
You can't really see anything. Here, we need to open inside the box. Yeah, Rihanna? We need to go inside to figure out what this will become. We need to go inside.
Okay, we need Papa's help.
Yeah. Woo! Woo!
Careful. What is this? Woo! What is that? Barbie car. Yes.
What's your pink car?
Because you're 5 years old. You're a big girl now.
Cut the last day right here. Do it. This is 1-7. Cross it out.
Rihanna. Ooh. इसको अंदर करो. Rihanna. Close the door. Ooh.
Again, this is going forward with this switch. Now press it.
Door close करो बेटा. And that was the last gift from us. That's the car, and I think she loved this gift. This is so beautiful. I think it's super cute and it's super amazing. It's little hard for her. I think she will learn कैसे ड्राइव करते हैं. और इसमें USB डलती है, आप सॉन्ग्स डाल सकते हो और सॉन्ग्स प्ले होते हैं इसमें, सॉन्ग्स चलते हैं USB के साथ. I think it's super cute. So that's her birthday cake. इसमें मुझे थोड़ी चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं लगी. एक तो ये थोड़ा सिंपल है और मैंने उनको बोला था कि डार्क ग्रीन कलर बनाना है. उन्होंने थोड़ा सा लाइट बनाया. तो I really want to decorate it now. So I want some golden balls. So I have this sprinkle kind of fairy thingamajig, something like that. So I'm going to put these golden balls on top of that because she's wearing a green and golden dress. From the last 4 years, Rihanna always cut her matching clothes and matching cakes, but this time I'm a little disappointed, but that's fine. That's alright, because you know, in pictures you can't see the actual color and it's not their fault, and I'm absolutely fine. Okay, so for the decoration I'm going to put these butterflies on top of this cake. Let's see how it's gonna look like. I think it looks amazing. You know what, actually I think they're gonna charge me $25 extra if I told them that put some butterflies on top of that or put this and that, and I think I can do this much. I can decorate by myself and it looks amazing. That's what they're gonna do, and that's what I did. It's just that you can't eat that butterflies, but you can eat that golden balls. Brianna, did you like your cake? Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, you like it? Happy birthday! To you. Happy birthday. Careful. Happy birthday. Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Let's cut the cake. That's okay. हाँ जी edible. Papa come. Aurishi, आजा. आजा नीचे. आजा. Oh yeah, don't get the bottom. Oh my god, Rishi, I'm getting my birthday PTSD.
You gotta get the whipped cream.
Totally nice.
Goodness.
चलो जाओ सारी जाओ चलो
we cut the cake and we had fun. We are going to have dinner. So
पूरी फैमिली इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं पहले।
हाँ,
अब है सिंग, पूजा, ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स, ग्रेट ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स, ताया जी, एवरीथिंग।
what you guys doing? What's that? Which game is it?
इसको बोरिंग लग रही है, पता चलता है।
Rihanna?
Pretty Vans are gonna finish.
Oh.
I want to do it for fun.
Yes.
So ऋषि एंड वंशिका रियाना's cousins हैं और ये स्लीप ओवर करने वाले हैं आज यहाँ पर। तो लेट नाइट चलने वाला सब कुछ होम थिएटर में, ये सोने वाले हैं, इनका बेड लगने वाला है। तो आज ये थोड़ी सी गेम्स खेल रहे हैं और हम लोग बाहर बैठ के गप्पे मार रहे हैं। थोड़ी ठंडी है और हम लोग बर्थडे केक एंजॉय कर रहे हैं एंड वी हैड ग्रेट फन। और बच्चे, हम लोग भूल गए थे एक्चुअली ये पॉप अप करने के लिए। तो अभी बच्चा लोग पॉप अप कर रहे हैं इसको, क्योंकि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में फायरवर्क्स अलाउड नहीं है, तो हम लोग इससे ही अपना काम चला लेते हैं। और ये रियाना का आज का लास्ट गिफ्ट है जो कि ऋषि और वंशिका ने इसको दिया है। आई थिंक इट्स सुपर बिग, पूरे बिल्कुल कलर्स हैं इसमें, काफ़ी बड़ा है ये, बिल्कुल रियाना जितना। बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं इसमें, वाटर कलर हैं, स्केच कलर्स हैं, क्रेयॉन्स हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ हैं अंदर, बुक्स हैं एंड इट्स सुपर बिग। सो बस अब ये दोनों रात को कलर्स करने वाली हैं। ओके, सो किड्स आर गोइंग टू स्लीप इन द होम थिएटर। इनको होम थिएटर में सोना बहुत पसंद है और हमने यहाँ पे बेडिंग लगाई है इनकी, रात को ये यहीं सोने वाले हैं। सो ऐसे हमने रियाना का क्वारंटीन बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया था और वो वहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुश थी और हम भी बहुत खुश हैं कि वो खुश है। I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, follow me on Instagram. आप वहाँ पे पिक्चर्स देख सकते हो बर्थडे की, रियाना की Instagram पे और मेरे Instagram पे। And I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching and say happy birthday to Rihanna in comment box. Bye.